Hi, my name is Mary, and today let us talk about the 5 reasons why she kneeled down on you on your first date or first meeting. Alright, so we all know that there are quite a few reasons how to be with a woman, either LDR, dating site, or when you are here in the Philippines, or just random meeting such as in the restaurant, mall, or coffee shop. Well, if you find her in a discotheque and bar, surely she will kneel down on you by the fact that she comes to your place means she's good to do all the best or all the necessary things or necessary actions. But if it's not, then here are some reasons how to let your woman kneel you down on or fall in love with you even in your first night or your first date or your first meeting. Okay, so number one reason, if you're good looking to her eyes. Yeah, it doesn't mean or it doesn't matter how old you are as long as you're good looking or pleasing to her eyes, looking clean, proper haircut, like no long beard, looking great, the way you dress up. In the Philippines, it is so hot for you. The humidity will kill you and it will make you sweat. So please invest with a proper cologne or deodorant. Take shower before great actions. Number 2, proper hair grooming. Make your haircut nice unless if your girl loves hardcore rock. She wanted you to make your hair grow. And I'm also talking about the hair down. It's nice to play in a playground where it is not messy or else it could show us if there will be some dirt on your playground. So yep, it's nicer if everything is clean, neat, and dry. Or it could be wet later on. Well, number 3, if you're uncut, don't show her the weak master. Show her the strong hero so she won't see that the hero is uncut. When the soldier is strong, the enemy won't notice its default. Remember, culturally, it is not clean to us to be uncut. Number 4, be a good talker, be charismatic, be smart, or at least pretend to be smart. If you're with me, I am very extrovert, then I know I'll be the one to initiate the conversation. But if you're with a typical Filipina shy girl, then being conversational seems so nice to have. Don't overdo it, that you insult her kindness and innocent. Number 4, be polite. Please don't insult people in front of her. Please don't talk bad with another Filipino while she hear it. She'll mirror it to herself saying, maybe he will do the same behind my back. Be patriotic as we are to our country and our people. Those people who will not be on your side, like those people who will be on your side even though you mistreat my people, like they're the one those who don't have any other choice than to stick around with you despite of your bad mouth. Number 5, be kind and helpful. I'm not saying monetarily, but by a small gestures, as helping the old woman cross the street or run to help her push the wheelchair of the older man or woman. You offer a seat to a pregnant woman. You know, elderly women and pregnant women or elderly men or PWD like plays a great role in our society, and they are highly respected. So number 6, be generous and be thoughtful. I don't say I don't say that you have to spend millions of USD or dollars to build her house or buy her luxury car ever. But simple as, if you are eating, you'll pay her food to eat too. You'll give a little bit of her cousins, grandma, or like a penny. For giving is caring, and giving 10 USD as a gift will receive the full support and loyalty and protection, and also special treatment that no one in the West will do. Just invest a little, then Filipino people will appreciate it. 90% of the Pinoy or Filipino are genuine and have a close family ties, and we treat our friend as family. Follow all the steps, then you'll be amazed. So yeah, please do like, share, and subscribe on my channel. And you can support or you can donate my channel via PayPal, or you can send an email to me. Alright? So, yeah, I'm so sorry if I'm being distracted. There is a butterfly coming here. Yeah. Anyway, so yep, my name is Mary once again. Have a great day, okay? Goodbye for now. Please catch my live stream from time to time.